Hello, let us try to create a simple solid blocks. So as you can see, A, B, C, D are the dimensions which I mentioned. These are all in mm. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are key points and the key point coordinates which I have written here. Since in the previous exercises I have explained you how to create key point, line and area. So firstly I'll create this what we can say this area face, and then I'll explain you how to create a volume out of it. So I'll just select this and I'll quickly go and create one simple um, area. So once after creating this area, I'll fit it, and then I'll probably so plot multi-plot and fit. I'll move this since we need the other face on this side. This can be done by duplicating the face which I have created. So I'll duplicate this face. So to duplicate that face, you have to go to the copy options here and select an area, click OK. Now at last to number of copies, how many copies we need. So I'll say 2 copies, so the one face and that side the other face. So along it is at a distance of 20, so I'll quickly and give the depth as 20, and I'll say area only, click OK. So I got so I'll make it fit. Now I'll just quickly go numbering, and I'll switch on the line numbers. So I'll quickly connect an area by now I'll create all the faces. So I'll go here, create an area through key points. I'll select 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So I'll rotate to create on the other side. Half has been created. So I've created all the side, and since it looks all are in one color, for our understanding I'll change the color option. So I'll just click on the area number and apply OK. So you can see there are a number of faces. We have created area and the lines. Now it's time to create a volume. So I'll go to arbitrary, and through areas I'll just select pick all. So the volume has been replotted. So plot volume. Since we can see one volume has been created, so volume is done. Now we need to create a solid solid cylinder inside the main block. So to create a solid cylinder, we'll go to cylinder options, solid cylinder, and I'll give this as x as. So this circle is at a distance of 15 along x direction and 10 along y direction. So I will say along x is 15, along y is 10, and radius is 5, depth is 20. It has to peer through this volume. I'll just say OK. So cylinder plot reblocked. Now 2 blocks are created. Now we need to delete the inner cylinder. So this can be done with the help of operate option. There is an option called boolean. Here you need to go and click on partition. So it split the bigger cylinder and it peers the cylinder and the bigger solid. So pick on. Now the volume are divided into one, the outer one and inner one. So I need to delete the inner one. So we'll directly go to the delete option, volume, and below we'll select this and I'll will select the outer one not to delete or deselect and click on OK. Plot, multi-plot. So this is one method of creating cylinder or this geometry. Thanks for watching.